In the latest turn in the saga over gay marriage in Utah, the governor has said the more than 1,000 same-sex marriages already performed will not be recognized.
Yeah, at least for now, these new unions will not be deemed valid in the state of Utah.
Heidi Hatch live with what this all means. Heidi?
There are a lot of questions right now, Mark and Shauna, and foremost right now, legal experts and people in the community are wondering if legally the governor and also the attorney general can choose not to recognize these marriages that happened, even if only for a very short time, as legal in the state of Utah as any other marriage would have during that few-week period.
This is a sad day for more than 1,000 Utah families. These are couples who love each other, often raising children together. And because the governor is now refusing to recognize their marriages, he's left them in legal limbo.
This is our family and we want the legal protections.
The statement from the governor's office reads today in part, based on counsel from the attorney general's office regarding the Supreme Court's decision, state recognition of same-sex marital status is on hold until further notice. While there is room left for a possible change, that will likely not come until a decision is made final by the courts in the appeals process or another lawsuit altogether is filed.
If there are 1,000 families who have been receiving the rights and responsibilities of marriage for weeks now under federal and state law, and now those are being taken away, I'm sure that they're considering whether or not they should be filing a lawsuit.
This type of lawsuit would be a new case heard in the state, but as of today, no lawsuits have been filed.
There's no question that these 1,000 marriages, when they were performed, were legally performed.
But this is uncharted territory.
They were lawfully entered. They were pursuant to a federal court order, and they were solemnized in accordance with Utah law.
Under the laws of the state of Utah, I now pronounce you legally married.
Roski, also an advocate for Equality Utah, sees this as a huge stumbling block for same-sex couples going forward.
The state of Utah is not harmed at all by recognizing the marriages, but the harm upon these families and their children is beyond calculation.
We do understand at this point a few people were able to make changes to their driver's licenses. If that happened, that will stand at this point. But if you're trying to get insurance, file anything with your taxes inside the state, or maybe adopt a child with your partner, that is not going to happen. And again, tonight, more questions than answers, because a lot of people are saying that these are legally binding documents, and yet right now we're told they're not. Mark and Shauna.
All right, Heidi, thanks.